NHIDCL kalasha Bthah ban pyndep ya ka jingte ya ka subway ha ka Bthah jong ka surok Shillong-Dawki kabalasha akta na ka jingkhalam khandau Hapoh ka Hapoh tarik Nailar khnang ban anla ban pleb yang ya ka let ka wan jong ki kali ya ka ne la pyndep do sembut menteri rangba ka jela uprastun tensong hadian ka jingalang bishar kambat ka NHIDCL halor ka jingya chaprang jong ki project surok hamikhalia ula ong ba ka jingalang kala bishar omtang ya ka Shillong-Dawki road Henry ru ya ki project Hagaro Hills bat ya ka high speed corridor. Uba prestun ula ong baka sarkar bat ka NHIDCL kilarai baka jingte ya ka subway ha ka Bthah jang ka surok ka balashakta daiban pyndep Hapoh ka Hapoh tarik Nailar khanang baka let ka wan jang ki kali kan sedang biang. Shu usembut menteri rangba ula pyndep bahaga te ka jingyalang la bisharu ya ka jingya chaprang jang ki project baka NHIDCL ka pintre kam Hagaro Hills bat bon ki mat ki bayadai bat kini ki project ladap ban penbet ban pentikana bakin ya chakmat katkum kapor balabu.
We have a massive detailed discussion on the progress of work, not only Shillong-Dawki, but also we talking about the different projects in the state of Nailar, in Hagaro Hills, and then again even the high-speed corridor, and then Shillong-Dawki. As far as Shillong-Dawki is concerned, we have taken the decision that NHIDCL has to complete that subway construction by 10 of August. By 10 of August, we have to, by any means, reopen the traffic movement from that portion where the route was disconnected. Okay, that is number one. And then about other issues also we discuss, and then it is resolved, including Hagaro Hills. Hagaro Hills projects, which is undertaken by NHIDCL.